Hey everyone, Trina here. I was scrolling through YouTube last night and I ran across a woman named Leander K. Art who was doing image transfers with the distressed oxide ink. So I thought I would give it a try and see how it works. I will leave a link to her video up above. First thing you're going to do, this is the ground espresso distressed oxide ink. We're just going to put some of this down. You can brayer it if you want to. Now this is going to look really thin. Don't worry. All is good. And I'm also going to, before we get started, just put some stamps in here. Okay, so this is just a magazine image that I cut out from my magazine and some glossy paper. So we're just going to lay that down. Leave it on for about 10 seconds. Press with light pressure. And peel it up. It looks very light, I know. Looks super light. You don't even have to wait for that to dry. I mean, you could, but I'm just going to go ahead. This is just a regular sheet of drawing paper. Go this way, this way. Lay that down. Rub the back. Make sure we get good pressure. Give it a light and put the bear in. You can also use the matte photo paper for this. That's going to work pretty well too. And then you won't have to do the next step, which is to put a layer of matte medium down. So there we go. Transfer. It's almost perfect. Okay, so next steps. We are going to wipe off our Gelli plate. Okay, so I'm putting down some acrylic medium. You can use gel medium. You can use anything that you have. I'm using matte medium. I'm just going to brayer this out. What we're going to do is seal this in a little bit. And okay, I've got a little bit of color on there, but I'm not going to worry about that. So then we take the image, put it down, and this is going to seal it in so that we can print over top of it when it's dry. And you don't need a lot of pressure on this one. It's going to change the color and make it a little darker until it dries, but that's kind of a good thing. And there you have it. Quick, easy image transfer. I did try this on watercolor paper. It didn't work. I mean, it worked, but you couldn't really see the image. So I think you need to use a smooth paper, like drawing paper or printmaking paper, or something with a smooth surface. Feel free to ask me any questions. I just wanted to hop on and show you this pretty cool thing that we can do now that I discovered thanks to the lovely Leandra K. And I'll be back in a couple of days with another video. Thanks so much. Bye.